Hello everyone, let's dive into the Lutron MRF2-2BRL WG Maestro wireless control. This little gadget offers a surprising amount of flexibility for managing your Maestro wireless dimmers and switches. The primary function is simple: raise and lower your lighting levels with ease. It also allows you to recall your favorite lighting presets, creating the perfect ambience with a single touch. One of the most appealing aspects of this control is its adaptability. It can be configured for handheld use, clipped to your car visor for convenient access, mounted on a wall, or even placed on a tabletop with an optional pedestal. This versatility makes it a great addition to any smart home setup. Installation is straightforward, especially if you're familiar with standard electrical work. The included wall mount adapter and mounting templates simplify the process of integrating it into a 1-gang, 2-gang, or multi-gang configuration. Being battery-powered, this control eliminates the need for any complicated wiring. The battery is included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. This is a huge advantage for those who want to avoid the hassle of running new wires or dealing with complex electrical setups. The Lutron Maestro wireless control operates in off mode and utilizes a normally open contact type. It connects wirelessly, ensuring a clean and uncluttered look. The device is manufactured by Lutron, a trusted brand in lighting control. It doesn't require any terminals, simplifying the installation process further. It supports a one-way, parallel, circuit type and functions as a dimmer switch. Constructed from plastic, the control is lightweight yet durable. It's designed for tabletop mounting, offering flexibility in placement. It meets several important specifications, including CE, IEC 60669-2-1:2002, EDL, and RoHS, ensuring safety and compliance with industry standards. In summary, the Lutron Maestro wireless control is a versatile and user-friendly device that enhances the functionality of your Maestro wireless dimmers and switches. Its ease of installation, flexible configuration options, and reliable performance make it a worthwhile addition to any smart home.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.